Zotasell is an AI-powered upsell cross-sell app that helps you boost revenue. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to get Zotasell running and start turning product data into real upsell results. To get started, search for Zotasell on the Shopify App Store. Click Install, and you're ready to go. Zotasell starts analyzing your store right away, syncing product data, understanding visuals, and preparing personalized upsell logic. If it's your first time installing, you'll be guided through a quick onboarding. Just follow the steps to enable app embed and active upsell widgets, or skip the enable upsell steps and explore the settings yourself. In the upsell page setting, Zotasell makes it easy to set up upsells across multiple areas of your store. Just tick the widget locations you want, like product detail pages, where you can select from 2 widget locations, cart pages, add to cart pop-ups, and the thank you page. For each upsell widget, you have the flexibility to customize the recommendation titles. Tailor them to match the tone and style of your store. Simply click on the eye icon next to each placement for a quick preview on the right-hand screen. You can also click Live Preview to see the widget in action on your actual website. And for even more customization, adjust the text on your Add to Cart button in the text button section to suit your needs. By default, Zotasell upsell widgets will auto-adapt to your store's theme. But if you'd like more customization, head to the Styles panel. Easily adjust colors, layout, and display effects to match your brand perfectly. Zotasell also extends upsells into your emails. First, set up your email sender. Click Edit Email Sender to configure the sender's name and email address. Then choose the type of email you want to send, either abandoned cart or thank you email. Next, upload your brand logo and customize your email by editing the email template. You have full control over the subject line, content, and layout, all directly inside the preview screen. And if you want to see how it looks in real life, just send a test email to any address you like. Once your settings are complete, be sure to click Save to lock in your changes. Want to know what sells where it sells? Your Analytics tab gives you performance data by revenue from upsells, placement, and product overtime. See which touchpoints convert best, and what products capture attention and boost your upsell revenue. You can also head over to the Zotasell dashboard to explore valuable resources like instructional videos and case studies. Or get access to our helpful FAQs, sale kits, and submit feature requests whenever needed. Plus, the dashboard provides real-time analytics to keep track of your performance, ensuring you're always ready to optimize your next upsell campaign. At Zotasell, we believe every upsell feature, every AI logic, every automation, should serve just one goal: driving more revenue for your store. So don't just test features, test results. Ready to upsell smarter? Start your 14-day free trial today. Your smarter selling journey starts here.